Well, the record EBITDA will continue for JSW Steel, all thanks to the massive surge seen in steel prices. For Q4, we are expecting a 44% jump in the top line at 25,780 crores versus 17,887 crores. The EBITDA is seen more than doubling. In fact, more than doubling, close to trebling at 8,005 crores versus 2,975 crore rupees. And that's going to lead to a massive 15 percentage points margin expansion at 31.1% versus 16.6%, and profit after tax at 8,000 odd crore rupees. Now we are expecting a sharp surge, like I said, in the realizations, especially in the India business, that the company will post in the fourth quarter. Plus, there's volume recovery as well. This time around, we are expecting a 4 million ton volume figure for Q4. This versus a little at around 3 million tons that it posted in the corresponding quarter. Like I said, highest ever quarterly EBITDA margin. In fact, the EBITDA per ton is seen soaring to 19,010 rupees per ton. The one thing that could perhaps be a drag for JSW Steel is the US operations. They are largely under maintenance. Remember that we did have the company announcing some interesting investments, interesting strategical announcements right now in the last 1 odd month. I think the aim is also to sort of be a part of Biden's new infrastructure plan in the United States. JSW Steel has operations in Ohio. So they essentially want to take part. They want a pie of that. So I think this will also be a very interesting and exciting business to watch out for. Maybe not in Q4, but in the forthcoming quarters. I look forward to management commentary on that front as well. Now, in terms of the future outlook, as we know, JSW Steel has, of course, diverted some of its oxygen, gaseous oxygen, of course, to different medical facilities across the country. But the management has said that the impact on steel production is going to be the bare minimum. We had Tata Steel saying that, look, we're expecting only a 3 to 4% impact on production. I don't see that number differing very largely for JSW Steel either. But the other good news, I suppose, even if there is any sort of disruption to volumes, is going to be the fact that steel prices have only increased in the month of April, in the month of May, the latest trigger, of course, being China's new steel production policy. So that is something that has further pushed up steel prices to newer and newer levels. And now Indian steel companies as well have got more headroom to increase prices. We have seen them hike prices in April. Reports have said that they have already hiked prices in the month of May as well. So it looks like, the pricing for Q1 will be even stronger compared to Q4, which means that maybe for the next 1 to 2 quarters at least, we could see these record margin and EBITDA levels continue for JSW Steel.